Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to generate top or bottom n items in Power BI. So for this, we'll go on the canvas of Power BI. Let's create the funnel chart. Now in the category, we'll pick up the subcategory. In values, let's pick up the profit, or let's say sales. Activate the focus mode. Now in the subcategory, activate the filter. So here, the options available are basic filtering, advanced filtering, and top N. So generate top 5 items on the basis of profit. Apply the filter. You can change this and make this bottom. Apply the filter. So top 5 and bottom 5 items can be generated this way. So this was all about top and bottom 5 items in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, you can refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share the videos on Power BI. You can also join me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Link is given in the description box.